Having trouble signing in to your Taskade account. Whether you're seeing an incorrect password error, not receiving a verification email, or the login page isn't working, there are several ways to troubleshoot the problem. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Taskade login issues in 2026. First, make sure you're entering the correct email address and password. Check for typing mistakes, accidental spaces, or caps lock being turned on before trying again. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password and regain access to your account. Next, check that your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent Taskade from completing the sign-in process. Refresh the page and try again. If the problem continues, open Taskade in another supported browser or use an incognito window. You can also clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove outdated login data. If you're using the Taskade desktop or mobile app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Then close the app completely and try signing in again. If you're still unable to log in, check whether Taskade is experiencing a temporary service outage. If everything appears to be working normally, contact Taskade support with details about the error message you're seeing. And that's how to fix Taskade login issues in 2026. In most cases, checking your credentials, resetting your password, updating the app, and clearing your browser data will get you back into your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.